guys, and welcome back to Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making a chili casserole. For this chili casserole, you're going to need some cornbread mix. I have Jiffies. You're going to need some onions, some green bell peppers, some crushed tomatoes, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 cup of milk, some chili beans, and some kidney beans, guys. Alright, and you're going to need 1.5 pound of ground beef, or you can substitute the ground beef with ground turkey or ground chicken, whatever you have. Or you can just leave the meat out altogether and just have a vegetarian chili casserole. Alright, and you can substitute the milk for oat milk. And they have the egg substitute, so there you go. You can still make this even if it's vegan or vegetarian. Alright, guys, so let's move over to the stove so that we can brown up our ground beef, add our onions and our seasoning. Oh yes, you're going to need some Shelly's house seasoning, some chili powder, and some cumin and oregano. Okay, guys, so we're at the stove and our ground beef is starting to cook up. So we just want to smash that down. And we want to get our onions in. I have got pre-chopped onions from the supermarket, already chopped. Save you some time on a busy weeknight, you know, with the kids back to school and everything. So you want one whole onion if you feel like chopping and you don't want to spend the extra money for already chopped, and 1 whole bell pepper. And I have some garlic already minced, so we're going to add that as well. And this would, if you wanted to, you can add your jalapeno here. You can add cayenne pepper, crushed red pepper flakes, whatever you desire if you want it spicy. Alright, but I don't want it spicy because the chili powder already has enough spice in it, and we're not going to do that. So here's my minced garlic. So I'm going to put in a couple heaps. Tablespoons full, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And everything is going to be in the description box, guys, so I got you. At this time, I like to say, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell just to let you know every time that I upload some of these delicious meals. And to all my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. And everyone else, thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Thank you. Alright. So I'm using my nice wooden spoon. Get it in there. I haven't even seasoned it yet, and it's starting to smell amazing. Alright, got that Shelly's house seasoning. Everybody knows. Salt, pepper, seasoning, garlic, onion powder. But you can use your favorite all-purpose seasoning. You don't have to use this. Use your favorite all-purpose seasoning. Great here. Let's get some oregano down in here. So Shelly's house seasoning, that was like 3 tablespoons. This is about a tablespoon of oregano. A tablespoon and a half of cumin. Don't be shy, guys. Well, that was 2 tablespoons of cumin. Get you that seasoning down in here. Chili powder, probably be like 1/4 of a cup of chili powder. You want to season it really well. Make sure that flavor is all through. And I did not add any oil to this pan. Let it get chopped up. So, don't worry, it's going to be great. Like this. And all them seasonings going to soak up the rest of that oil that was in there, so I don't even need to drain this. Alright. Nice. Hold it. Nice. Seasoned all the way around. Make sure you get all those big lumps out. So, you know, get you a nice good wooden spoon. Chop that down. Make sure everything is mixed in. This recipe is going to go really fast. Doesn't take that long to make. My crushed tomatoes, we're going to use half of this can, not all of it. Just half. Like so. Half of it. I tried to find a smaller can, but I couldn't. I'm just going to put that in a pan. And I'm going to put that in a container and pop it in my freezer until I need it. Well, my refrigerator, not my freezer. Alright, so you see that? How it's nice and thick? That's what we're looking for. That's what we want. Alright. Look at that. Alright, so now we want to add the juice and everything. I need a can of chili beans. If you can't find chili beans, pinto beans will work, or some black beans, either or. Would be great for your chili. Alright. And we're gonna add the juice and all our kidney beans. Get it in there mixed in. And that is it. That is it. I'm going to put the lid on this. And we're going to let it come up to a simmer. And let it finish cooking. And we're going to move over to the counter. And we're going to make the cornbread to go on top. Alright? And all of this is just going to go in the oven until the cornbread is done. So what we're doing is just basically heating up the beans and everything. And all of this just goes right into this chili casserole. It's amazing, guys. I'm telling you. Like I said, if you want it spicy, you can add some fresh jalapenos. You can add some cayenne pepper. You can add some crushed red pepper flakes. Whatever type of spices that you guys want. It smells amazing. It looks amazing. Finished cooking in the oven. I'm going to give it a taste for seasoning, but we want that can flavor to cook out. I'm going to hit it with a little more Shelly's house seasoning. And that thickness is what we're looking for in this pan. And the cornbread is going to be rather thick. It tastes amazing. I just want to add a little bit more seasoning. I'm going to add a little more oregano. Add more chili powder. A little more cumin. Like that. Mix it in there. Mix it all up. Just like this. This chili is good all by itself. You don't even need this to make a casserole, but that's what I'm making today. This is a quick dish. I'm going to put the lid on this. I'm going to let this cook down. We're going to move over to the counter make our cornbread, and then we're gonna pop it in the oven. Quick, easy weeknight meal. All right, so it's time to make this chili. I made our cornbread. Let's add our eggs, our sugar, and our milk. With all of this together. I'm gonna add our cornbread mix. And those bubbles add air to the cornbread. I had a hard time trying to get that thing open. Alright, that's one box. Ooh. Check. I got that in there. Now, just gonna mix this in. Put it all in there. Nice and mixed up. Now, I normally make my cornbread from scratch, but when I'm making this particular dish, I always use the Jiffy box. There's nothing wrong with using a Jiffy box, and I use it on Thanksgiving too because I'm having a lot to do. I'm trying to make cornbread and everything else that I gotta make. No. This does it for me. Alright, guys. So, when we come back, we're gonna start to assemble everything. Alright, so I have one of my pans that's been greased, sprayed with some non-stick spray. Alright, so now I'm getting ready to add the chili to the pan. And pray that I do not burn myself. And I had to get it real closer. I don't want to put all that juice in there, but that's alright. So now, let's pour our cornbread mix right on top. Right on top. And it's going to bake right together, right in the oven, until the cornbread is done. Right. So now let's get this in a 375-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. When we come back, I'm gonna show you how I like to plate up mine. My kids just like it plain. I like a little cheese and sour cream on mine. So when we come back, I'm gonna show you guys the finished result and how I like to plate it up. Alright, so this is the finished results of the casserole, of the chili casserole. So now let's plate it up. Alright guys, let's plate it up. In there. A little bit. Hot. And look at that. Y'all see that, guys? Look at that. Yeah, that's like that. Sour cream. And a little bit of cheese. Look at that. As a casserole to be talked about, guys. I zoom in on it. I zoom in on that casserole. Look at that thing. Amazing. Come in a little closer. Nope. Look at that. Oh, man. Can't wait to eat this. Alright, guys, let's go in for a taste test. This chili with the cheese and the beans and the sour cream, the cornbread. You can also put some corn chips on this if you like. Make it hot. Mmm. Mmm. Oh yeah. Mmm. Mmm. You get that cornbread. The sweetness from the cornbread. Savoriness. And that's delicious. Chili, guys. The beans in it. Mmm. Tons of protein in this dish. Tons. Mmm. Mmm. Alright, guys, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.